Ladies and gentlemen, we're in for a real treat tonight. Our guest speaker is a man who has been the driving force behind this project for many years. He is the person who knows the whole history of how we got to where we are today, the stories, the challenges, and the little-known secrets. Not only that, but he's a very entertaining speaker. Please join me in giving a very warm welcome to Paul Beekman, President of International Panel Corporation. International Panel Corporation provides residential construction with a competitive edge during today's challenging housing market. The platinum panel line used provides stronger, highly insulated, wall, ceiling and roof products for residential and light commercial construction. The estate is sited on a large expanse of land, measuring approximately 200 hectares, and it is opposite to the head office of Chevron Nigeria Limited, on the Lekki Expressway. The estate will offer private quality facilities and utilities which will be built to international standards with detailed attention to health, safety and the environment. The facilities and utilities will be maintained to world-class standards. International green buildings that are well insulated, made from reusable products, 100% rodent, insects, water and disaster-proof. We give you green, efficient design, energy conservation, strength of construction, structural longevity, and aesthetics. SIPS versus cement construction. Cement buildings. Conducts and holds heat. Porous, absorbs moisture. Lack of insulation requires high energy demand. Promotes mold growth. Erodes after several years. Waste must be disposed in landfill or quarry. SIPS buildings. SIPS is stronger than cement. Keeps out heat and moisture. Requires 50 to 80% less energy. Resistant to insects and mold. Home will last for 100 years. Does not harm the environment or require landfill. 100% recyclable. Building collapse in Nigeria capital kills 14. The frequent use of substandard materials and violation of building regulations mean building collapses are relatively common in Nigeria. Federal Capital Territory Minister, Bala Mohammed, said Wednesday's collapse was the third in the city since he took office 3 months ago. July 5, 2011. Ibadan. At least 5 persons were trapped yesterday in a tragic building collapse in Ibadan, as a 2-story building under construction caved in Oluyo, local government area of Oyo State. July 7, 2011, 18 dead, many trapped in Lagos building collapse. 6 people die in building collapse. Agency director has put all the blame on the inferior construction work for the incident. Nigeria building collapse. Lagos, Nigeria, a 4-story apartment building collapsed overnight in Nigeria's commercial capital, and Red Cross officials helping pull survivors out of the rubble. At least 16 people were killed. January 1995, one of Japan's deadliest earthquakes hit Kobe, killing more than 5,000 people and injuring thousands. All 5 SIPS homes stood solidly against the force of the quake. Core product for building, platinum panels. Platinum technology patented, the greatest advance in building envelope construction in decades, was introduced in 2004. This innovative composite approach combines structural steel strength and high-density insulation in a single building product for walls, ceilings and roofs. These advanced products mean you can build homes that are safer, energy efficient, waterproof, mold-proof, and better protected against termites and other wood-destroying organisms. Insulation values are 23.4 for 3/8 an inch to 5/8 an inch panels. This is opposed to R5 for CMU block and R9 to R11 for stick frame. Panels benefits. Strength. Buildings have been engineered with our products to withstand more than 160 miles per hour winds. Construction time. Projects go up much faster. can dry in a home in 3 to 5 days and finish a home in 2 weeks. Energy efficiency. Doubles the R values of wood frame with insulation and more than 5 times better than concrete block. Sound reduction. Reduces the transfer of sound by 6 to 8 decibels. Indoor air quality. Air tightness provides a cleaner, healthier and more comfortable environment. Decay resistant. No wood for insects to attack. Fire resistant. Minimum self-ignition temperature, 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Minimum flash ignition temperature, 698 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintains structural integrity in fire conditions. Polyurethane foam is a thermoset plastic and retains its structural integrity until completely consumed by fire. Melting does not occur. Earthquake resistant. Increased rack and shear strength by 3 times compared with standard stick-built components. Connections are designed to withstand up to magnitude 8 scaled earthquakes. Mold and mildew resistant. Protects the structure from termites, mold, mildew, and decay. Reinforced polyurethane, closed cell. Spray adds structural integrity throughout the wall system. Testing conducted by the National Association of Home Builders. Spray applied polyurethane foam insulation between steel studs in wall panels increased rack and shear strength 3 times when compared with standard stick-built components. Construction service offering for the international market. Managed service capabilities. Platinum can do the overall planning, coordination and control of a project from inception to completion, aimed at meeting all the client's requirements in order to produce a functionally and financially viable project that will be completed on time, with an authorized cost, and to the required quality standards. Manufacturing plant construction services. Plant setup. Assisting construction site selection and setup. Works with subcontractors and trades to set up plant construction. Order all needed equipment for setup. Set up supply line and get all material ready to go into production. Training of manufacturing personnel and supervision. Helpline available to work out post-installation issues. Platinum manufacturing process. 1. Taking pre-cut steel members and setting them into place. 2. Assembling the panel cast. 3. Checking and finishing the panel mold. 4. Installing SOPS panel into rapid injection molding. 5. Locking down panels to get ready for foam injection. 6. Most critical step in process, injecting foam into panels, needs temperature and humidity consistencies. 7. 20 feet panels during drying stage. 8. 30 feet panel during drying stage. 9. Completed panels stacked for shipping. Home construction service capabilities. Pre-construction setup. Evaluate projects for manpower, equipment and infrastructure requirements. Manage the logistics requirements from evaluation to installation. Training. Setup training and education for project. Building trades, site preparation, excavations, foundation, concrete finisher, plumbing, electric, HVAC, finishing. Landscaping, residential and commercial. Security, project and personnel. Construction. Foundation, rough-in, turnkey. Ancillary services offered. Solar lighting, water filtration, sewer systems, international shipping, road construction, community planning. IPC Construction Service offers simple homes to palaces. We will design and build homes from 38 square meters to over 5,000 square meters and condos up to 4 stories. In these pictures, we see 36 square meters cottage with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. 179 square meters with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Building area economic benefits. Employ construction workers. Utilize professional help in construction. Buy from local business owners. Provide training and education. Require employment and material for SAP's factory and other facilities. Building international. Product or process has international potential due to ease of production using proven, flexible production model. Use of system does not require special labor skills. Readily available raw materials, recycled steel, polyurethane and fiberglass cloth. Rapid and flexible panelized construction. Competitively priced and superior performance. Delivers high energy efficiency and lowers energy costs. High durability, longevity, and low maintenance. Rapid construction capability and low labor. Green building material.